Hello friends, how to create such type of Happy New Year wish you can send to your friends such type of wishes. So now we are going to create it. So first of all we have come to VS Code. So now we have already written our code here. First of all we wrote about CSS. Yes, these are all CSS. First of all we add style tag and then body HTML etc. Then we use CSS code. These all are CSS code, so you have to add this in advance. Countdown FE for FES. We use this gradient color of etc. So when you come to here, so these are all CSS and these are we had HTML code, and this is the JavaScript. Yes, for animation and function we use JavaScript. These are all JavaScript we use for creating a new year wish. So you also can create this by copy or doing such type of. We just use three languages: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So JavaScript used for functions, animations, behaviors, and HTML used for just structure, and we use CSS for styling. So you can also use such coding and create. Now we are going to uh, set the output, check the output how it looks. So first go to our this and run the program. So you are seeing this is our project done by we create our wishing new year. So you can also, when you click here, means Zulfikar Alin, give your name, then go, then it will be show like this with Zulfikar Ali wishing you. So you can also share this on WhatsApp by clicking this share on WhatsApp. This will go to, you can send your friends and families. Yes, so when you click this open WhatsApp, then you can send on WhatsApp. So then come to, yes,